Assignment 2, Video 6. In this segment of the video, we're going to learn how to save the file appropriately and get it ready for zipping up and submission into Dropbox. Okay, before we do that, we have to check a couple of things. First thing is to go up to the File pull-down menu and go down to Map Document Properties. And what I want you to do is click on the path names to make sure that you store the relative path names to the data sources. In other words, what will happen is when I open up your map, it will look for a relative path to your data files, your shape files, and whatnot. So once you've done that, you can click on OK or apply and OK. The next step to do is to make sure that you save it with the proper name. Right now I just have it simply saved as assignment 2. The problem is if 30-40 people send me an assignment that says assignment 2, one will overwrite the other. So in order to prevent that, what I want you to do is go down to File, Save As, and instead of assignment 2, attach your name to it by typing in your last name underscore first name underscore and A2b. Once you have this, you can hit Save, and then it'll change the name of your file. That way, hopefully everybody's file is unique. The next step is to go to File, and what we're going to do is export the map. We're going to export it to a PNG file, and this is very simple. File pull-down menu, Export Map. It will open up this dialog box right here. You'll notice that the Save As type is PNG. That's what we want. File name, we can keep the same name, and just click Save. Once we have that saved, we have the PNG file, we have our project file or the ArcMap file here. We can now close this, and what I have done here is open up two different windows, both showing the same file name. You can see the ArcMap document here and the PNG file on both of them. And what I'm going to do is create a folder in order to organize everything, because we want to be able to zip everything up very easily. Create a new folder. I'm going to call it for submission. Or actually, maybe it'd be better to call it A2 submission. Once you have that, I'm going to open this up in this area right here, and I'm simply going to copy the files that I want to submit. For that, basically, we're going to copy the PNG file, and we're also going to copy the ArcMap file as well. So these two, highlight them, right-click, copy, go into the A2 submission, and paste. Along with these two files right here, we need the different shape files that were provided for us from the geography network, from the Ontario base map and the Ontario road network. So we're going to go into here for the Ontario base map. We're going to click on these files, simply highlight everything, copy, go into here and paste. In a similar fashion, we're going to go to the Ontario road network, find the files that are being referenced, highlight them all, right click, and paste. Once you have all these right here, in this folder, the A2 submission, highlight everything, right click, go to send to, and go to compressed zipped folder. And then in here, I want you to type in the same format, last name underscore first name underscore A2b. Hit enter. And what you're going to find is when you open this one up, this has all the files that are going to be submitted. So this right here, this one zipped up folder, is what you will be submitting into Dropbox. Once I have that, I download it, I can unzip it, and then I can see all your files. I can open up your projects and make sure that everything is good. Okay, this concludes assignment 2, video 6, and this is the last video in this series.